We'll guide you through how to keyframe in CapCut PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Keyframing essentially allows you to move and animate media. So first of all, go and select what you want to go and keyframe and place your cursor where you want your first keyframe to be. Then come to the top right and select Video, Basic, and come into Position and Size. Go over to the right to the diamond icon and hover over it. And as you can see, there's the option to add keyframe. We've now added one. Now what you want to do is move your cursor in the timeline and choose then the position of the media. You can go and change the scale in the top right like so, and you can click and hold and drag. So go and choose the position you want it to be, and then you can start playing it back. And as you can see, it then zooms in, and you can then go and choose your next position. So for example, let's say at the end, I just want to return to how it was. Then what I can do is then use the scale tool and zoom it back out. Another keyframe will be automatically added. Of course, you can go and add more keyframes and make it way more complex, but that's the basics.